I'm not a yoga aficionado.
Left knee, day width, left elbows.
But we're doing hot yoga today. So join for the craziness. I want you to meet somebody because we came 1,600 miles to meet these guys. Look at, they're excited. It's like Christmas morning. Annette, we're here. You just got out of class.
103 in there.
103.
Which is gonna be nothing.
Hot yoga, but we are here to reveal your new sauna experience.
Look at how pretty it is.
Let's go.
Beautiful.
HGTV moment. The big reveal.
All right.
I think you got a
Oh,
good
look
spot.
at, we even have merch, just in case. Just in case you want some merch. Do you want to open the door,
I
Justin?
think I'd love to open the door for you.
Okay, hang on.
Go in.
Hang on, wait. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Step on in.
It is really beautiful. It's so beautiful. Wow.
Oh my
I'm really surprised at how pretty it is.
So
This is amazing. Wow. Look at this. Oh, we're getting easy 12 to 15 people.
oh yeah,
in here.
you'll stack them in here.
We're gonna snuggle bug in here. My heat just went up like by 200 degrees. This is so good.
All weekend, we'll be guiding sessions together. We'll be celebrating 5 years of Kodawari being a studio.
Yeah.
How does that feel? So the dynamic of like, this is also a big anniversary gift, sort of.
Yeah. To us, because our whole mission, vision, and value is driven around community and deepening the ties that we have to one another and the ways in which we know one another. And for me, this is really like a spiritual experience to share this level of intensity and sweetness with people, and to know that we'll be able to orchestrate that on another level so that people that have been in big classes together can now come in here and get tighter and get healthier, and then a whole new layer of people that have yet to come to Kodawari, because we've talked about this a lot. Like, the barrier to entry to getting healthy has to continue to come down to meet more people in an open-hearted way. This is the key. Immediately when we met, there was this, wait a minute, we share values, we share mission. There is a lot of alignment here where we could do something crazy, like take a company from northern Minnesota where it's negative 30 and 40 in the winters and bring it down to Tampa in a way that serves more people. And I think you and I know that this is like the beginning. Like, we just really feel like if we can do it in northern Minnesota and we can do it in Tampa, Florida, we can do it anywhere. That's correct. And that there's people that want to do it anywhere. Do you want to see the outdoor shower? Yes, I do. Check this out. Oh! It's got water in it? Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's the bomb. It's so good. Here we are, Annette. We did it. We made it all the way to Florida. Now we're gonna kick it off this weekend. Number 2 shower. Number 2 shower. Do it again. All right, you guys, here we're at Kodawari Yoga. I'm about to do hot yoga with Annette and the crew. I'm not a yoga aficionado or person. Done it once. My wife laughs every time she remembers it. But we're doing hot yoga today. So join for the craziness, and then we'll sauna and have fun after. So come on in, let's go. I'm nervous, I've never done hot yoga before. And I'm also not very flexible, so this is gonna be comical at best. I'd like to point to Justin. He'll take the heat of me pointing to him. While the arm bone into the body. Left knee, day width, left elbow split over, right foot touch, right arm releases. Drop start, Josiah. Yeah. Hands come to prayer. Find your stillness now. Find enough. Breathe here. More breath. Stay in the breath. Use it here. Get some bobbing. Take your seat. Guiding. Okay.
Oh my. It was warm, but it was great.
Warm.
It was so wonderful.
Yeah.
You are such a great guide in the process. As somebody who has never done hot yoga.
And it was hot. It was 103 today.
It was 103.
103.
So the heat was not the thing that I was worried about. It was the movements.
You looked great to me. Like I came over, you actually did handstand. You did
I did some
split
things.
straddle. You did split straddle handstand.
I felt more limber than I've been in ages.
Heat will do this for you.
And there was this point where I was, you're like, can we make it to the top of the mountain?
Yeah. And I came up behind you and pushed your bum.
And then I was like, oh, I got this. Like, yeah. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna make it. And then just sort of sat in it and I was present because as somebody who, and you've talked a lot about this, there's so many spaces in fitness like this where the bar is so high that it feels like people can't be a part of it.
That's right.
And this was totally new for me to have the space to sort of come in, be welcomed.
Well, you even said before we left the house, right? You were like, can I do this? And I was like, see? And you were like, I think I need to stretch before I do go to the class. And I was like, that's what I'm talking about.
Yep.
We can't have you do that. You got to stay available to the experience. And that was the real challenge. And you did it. You rose to that challenge, which is just getting on the mat. It's going to be like that for a lot of people when they try our sauna. They're going to think, I don't know that I'm up for this, but they just have to get there.
Totally.
And then they open to the experience and they come out the other side thinking, I just did something spectacular that was challenging, and I did it. And you did class today. And there were a lot of people.
Kodawari Yoga in Tampa, killing it.
With Cedar and Stone from Duluth, Minnesota.
So we should go cold plunge.
Yeah, oh, that's happening. Absolutely.
Let's do it. All right.
Amen.
Cold plunge. All right, Annette, here we are. We're cold plunging. Let's go.
Can you go over?
Like that?
There. So you can keep your little toes out. Oh.
After that hot yoga, though, this is like
bliss.
Great.
Yeah.
Should we fire up the sauna now?
Yeah.
I think we need to.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Change your clothes. More eat.
More eat. So Annette, how's it feel?
This is making me really happy.
There we go. 3,
chin up,
2,
chin down.
1. Say Kodawari.
Kodawari.
Killing it. Killing it. Those are all the ones. Everybody feeling ready for some more?
Yeah.
All right. Head on back in. All right. You ready?
Let's do it.
Hey guys. Hey Annette.
Hey.
We did it.
We did it.
The sauna is here. It's running.
Yes.
We've had people in it.
Lots.
And you celebrated
5 years.
5 years at Kodawari Studios.
Yep.
How does it feel? It's been kind of a big weekend.
It was a huge weekend, and honestly, it was amazing. And the heat was stellar. I mean, superlative. I got to use big words, complexity, because it was that good.
I think it was so fun watching all these new people experience this thing they really hadn't ever at that level of quality. They were like, wait a minute, this exists?
Yeah.
Like sipping craft beer for the first time? What? There's taste in here? You know,
wow.
That was the moment again and again and again throughout the weekend.
Yeah, it was repeated wow moments, and I just am filled with gratitude.
As we sort of wrap, as we sort of say, okay, it's actually not ending, it's like new start,
we've just
continue.
Crossed the threshold.
Yeah.
So I believe it's not even a hope, it's more watching what's going to manifest from the energy that got pushed in this weekend, just the momentum that's going to come from the people that had that experience, the wow experience, the wait a minute experience. Now they're going to do exactly what they should do, which is tell other people that they had this amazing experience that they feel better about, they slept better, all the pieces that are inevitably going to happen. And that momentum will just continue to carry other people to us, and it'll be like a wave of wash of just happiness that's going to go through my community. And that's really what I wanted. And to say that I want something, I had to lean into it, and now I'm watching it actually take place. And I truly am. I'm filled with gratitude about it, and I'm excited, and there's just more to come.
You've been beaming all weekend. She's been beaming. This Florida sunshine. Annette, it's been such a joy. You guys, Cedar and Stone, Tampa, Kodawari Yoga, it's happening. If you have a community,
like mine, which you do, which is people that want to be healthy, that want to be happy, that want to sleep well, that want to feel great, that want to pass it on, you could bring Cedar and Stone to you.
we could do that. We
It's
could
not
do
hard.
that in other communities. In fact, we are.
It's already happening.
It'll keep happening, but hey, let us know if you're one of those.
And you can ask us questions. Me, about how did it happen for me, and him, how did he make it happen for us?
Easy. We know the answers, and if we don't, we'll find them out.
That's it.
So good. Thanks for having us. All right, you guys, from sunny Florida,
Yeah.
back to the north.